Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Budget Babe here, and I'm back with another video. First things first, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I am doing the zero-based budget, which is when I budget to $0, but everything is in cash. It wasn't started by Dave Ramsey, but he made it popular. So check out his videos if you haven't. If you need more information regarding it, then check him out. So I'm having a little setup today, new setup today. Let me know if you like this better than the other one. I'm just trying to figure out how to go about visually setting up my YouTube videos for the budgeting videos. So just let me know if you like this. Secondly, sorry for the late post. When I got back from Hawaii, I was just kind of tired and worn out, and so I just couldn't get myself together. But yeah, so I'm back, and yeah. So let's go ahead and get started. So I went to the bank, and I got my money. So let me go ahead and... Oh, my plant is like taking over. Let's go ahead and put this out. I am no longer going to the ATM. I mean, I wasn't really going that much, but I'm not going because there's a lot of fraud with ATM. So just be careful when you guys are going to the ATM because people are now copying your information. I had fraud happen to me at least twice, and they tried to take $1,000 each time. So, you know, just be careful with that. I just want to get a heads up. But if you go in with the teller, obviously that's a lot safer. So, you know what? I'm going to move this so you guys can actually see all of the bills. Move this guy here. Okay. Oh, actually, let's just move him. You're gonna go right here. Okay. So here we go. So let's start. We're gonna start with my envelope. I mean, my wallet is what I mean. And so today, Ty's is going to get $80. So sometimes I feel like I can't count. So 50, 60, 70, 80. Just a heads up, again, if you don't know what Ty's is, it's just, again, I'm a Christian, so I give to my church. And I just find that whenever I bless the church, God blesses me even more. So that's not the reason why you do it, but of course it's just you can notice the difference is what I'm saying. So yeah, I actually filled my tank already, so I don't believe anything else will be getting, nothing else will be getting anything. So we're gonna move on to my other wallet. Oh, it's driving me nuts. So, guys, I have a confession. In Hawaii, I just kind of went left. And then some other stuff came up, so I had to use my emergency money for an emergency, and I used a little bit extra for Hawaii, but nothing that can't be given back. So let's go ahead and start. So my emergency is empty, but I will be paying myself back next paycheck. So emergency is also getting 80. So 50, 60, 70, 80. You guys, I think I'm feeling the other way better. I just don't want to hit the phone, you know what I mean, when shooting. But just let me know. If you guys like the other way better, I'll just go back to there. So business will not be getting anything, and travel will not be getting anything. Debt will be getting 50. I just put it in here just to put it in here. I still have to pay off a few of my debts. You'll probably see my debt confession soon. So yeah. Student loans will be getting $200. I love touching $100 bills. So let's see how much we have in here. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Whoa, y'all. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So I believe that's 820. Yeah, 820. So I'm close to paying off my first student loan. You'll see me stuff that soon. I'm excited because I'm trying to get it off my credit ASAP. So new car. New car is actually gonna get 400. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm trying to get a new car, and I want to make sure I want to start beefing this up so that I can, have a good down payment. And yeah, I will say more information about this later. Hair will be getting 50. I'll be getting my hair done sometime soon. Not like my hair is still braided, so I'll give myself maybe like a month or two before I take it down. So yeah. Invisalign is also getting 50. Oh guys, I just got like a raise. Well, not a raise, but like a new position. So now I'll probably have dental insurance, which will probably cover some of the Invisalign costs. So I'm excited about that, but I'm still going to save around $4,000 because that's how much it costs for that. So just in case. And then if I don't use what's remaining, I'll have that go towards something else. So for now, we have 50, 100, 120, 125. And I believe I used a 50 out of here. So this is me paying myself back. I just want you guys to know, like, if you have a setback like how I did, where it kind of affected everything, just know to keep going. Once you start getting back on the ball, it kind of erases that mistake. It doesn't erase it because you learn from it, but it just like minimizes how severe the mistake, I wouldn't say mistake, severe the unplanned emergency happened. So like, just get back on the bandwagon. I keep telling myself, just keep going, and you'll get there. So self-care is not getting anything. New home is not getting anything. Car maintenance is not getting anything as well. Dental will not be getting anything. Neither is beauty. Sorry, y'all. Birthdays will not be getting anything. Christmas will be getting 39. Christmas is coming up, so it's time to go ahead and start saving. So I want at least 500, but we'll see. So 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Gotta get all my people's gifts. So I'll start to beat this up a little bit more just when I take care of the major stuff, like paying back my emergency fund, and of course whatever car thing I'm gonna do, then that's what's gonna happen. And I believe, let's see, I believe that's it for this fund. Actually, I missed one thing. So for those of you who don't know, I already have two businesses. One is graphic design and the other is a fashion clothing store. So I'm going to be using this to get some business cards, which is going to be $45. So 2, 4, 5. And I'll be ordering those this week. So you'll see this. Whoa. Can get in the envelope. So you're going to see this get empty the next video. Okay. So that was pretty much it for the video. I'm just going to touch base on everything. So just to, touch base or to update you guys, like I said, I got a new position at the same place, but a new position, which pays more. So I'm now budgeting before I get paid, just so that I can figure out like what's going to be a priority and what's not. So savings is still not going to be a priority until I finish my emergency fund. Once this hits 1K, I will slow down, like beefing it up, and I'll still put stuff in here every single paycheck, but I won't put as much until I start making even more money. So the goal is to rearrange some things, and student loans will also start to pick up, and so will my business envelope, just because, you know, I gotta have my business together. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited to see my money transform and accomplishing things that I want to accomplish financially. So you will be on that journey with me. All these envelopes eventually will be filling up, you know, because I have so many empty envelopes that I haven't touched yet, but it's just because there's certain things that are priority right now. So new home is like low priority, but I'll eventually start putting maybe like $20 to $50. Cart maintenance is definitely going to be really important, so that's going to come up soon. Beauty, I just saw a perfume in Sephora, so this this is gonna be filling up soon as well. And then of course birthdays. I just want to make sure I'm prepared for birthdays. Every time I have cash to stuff for birthdays, a birthday comes up and literally takes the cash out. So eventually you'll see that. Also, I will be getting a trainer and going to the gym soon. And yeah, so you will see that pick up. So that is going to be all for this video. I feel like I get through my videos pretty quickly in comparison to other people, but I just try to get straight to the point. Maybe you'll see lengthier videos in the future when I start having more money to stuff. So please bear with me. But again, let me know if you like this setup or if you like the overhead setup better. I'm just trying to figure it out, which is the most appealing. So far, I think the overhead one is a little bit better, but just let me know. I would love to know your thoughts, and I really appreciate it. All right, thank you all for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I am super excited to go on this journey, and I hope you can follow, and I hope it inspires you to start your own journey or to continue with me. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you to all of the cash stuffing community for being so supportive. I'm watching each video that's like each subscriber that has subscribed to me that's a cash budgeter. I've watched each one of your channel's videos. I mean the videos on your I cannot talk. The channels on your videos. So I may not have commented on your videos. I apologize, but I really appreciate you guys for supporting me, especially when I'm new to the community. So thank you all, and thank you to the other subscribers who are just here to enjoy. I really appreciate everybody. Okay, well, thank you guys. I'll see you in my next video. My next video will probably be more of my debt, so you can see, and so I can clearly see what I need to attack, and I'm going to quickly attack. All right, thank you guys. Have a good night.